Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Finding the right keyboard for programming can make all the difference in your productivity and comfort. Today I'll walk you through some of the best mechanical keyboards for programmers, each handpicked for its features, build quality and value. Links to all the products are in the description, and these are affiliate links which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. So check out the links in the description. Alright, so starting from number 1, which is the Corsair K100 RGB, a powerhouse designed for professionals who demand top-notch performance. Equipped with Corsair OPX optical mechanical switches, this keyboard delivers ultra-responsive keystrokes with just a 1mm actuation distance. The customizable RGB lighting and IQ software make it a dream for programmers who also enjoy a touch of flair. Plus, its durable aluminum frame ensures it's built to last. It even comes with a dedicated media controls and comfortable wrist rest, perfect for long coding sessions. Check it out via the link in the description. Okay, next we have a Keychron C3 Pro, a compact yet highly customizable option that's perfect for programming. What sets this keyboard apart is its support for QMK/VIA, a feature that allows you to fully remap keys and create macros to streamline your workflow. This level of customization is a game changer for serious programmers who want complete control over their keyboard layouts. Like K6 Pro, the C3 Pro supports both wired and wireless connectivity, and the sturdy, minimal design ensures it's both portable and functional. If you're a programmer looking for flexibility, this one's definitely worth checking out with the link in the video description. Next one we have is the RK Royal Kludge RK61. So if you're tight on disk space, the RK Royal Kludge might be your perfect match. This 60% keyboard ditches the extra bulk but keeps all the essentials. It's great for coding or small setups or even while traveling. So this keyboard features dual mode connectivity, letting you switch between wired and wireless modes seamlessly. Its budget-friendly price point makes it an excellent entry-level mechanical keyboard for programmers. And last but not least, we have the Logitech MX Keys mechanical combo. So this keyboard combines elegance and efficiency with its low-profile mechanical switches, customizable keys and ergonomic design. The smart illumination adjusts automatically to your surroundings and handy feature for late-night coding sessions. The MX Keys is a favorite among professionals who want a minimalist yet functional keyboard for their workstations. It's available now, check the link below. And guys, there you have it, 4 of the best mechanical keyboards for programming. Whether you're looking for advanced features, compact designs or premium build quality, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the links to these keyboards are in the description and they are affiliate links, so by purchasing through them you'll be supporting the channel, which is greatly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell to not miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.